Guys, what's up? I feel like a burger today, so that's what I'm gonna make. Some smash burgers on the BLACKSTONE Griddle. A little bit of salt and pepper just on one side because it's gonna be so thin. Kind of doing these in the same style as the Oklahoma onion burgers you see going around on YouTube and the internet and stuff like that. A lot of people doing those nowadays. So what I'm gonna do is get some, I got a big old Vidalia onion. I'm using the whole thing. A couple of jalapenos. Gonna get a mandolin slicer and thinly slice them, super paper thin. You could use a knife if you want, or if you have like a deli slicer, that would work really good too. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw them on the griddle, get them cooked up. Minimal sort of condiments I'm putting on it. I'm just putting a little bit of mustard and mayo, but feel free to do it however you like. But that's it, guys. Check it out. Easy, straightforward burgers on the BLACKSTONE. Here we go. All right, so like I said, super basic prep I'm gonna do. Thinly slice these jalapenos and this onion. That's pretty much all we gotta do. I'm just gonna roll out 3 decent sized balls of 80-20 ground beef, and that's it. All right, so when you're using one of these things, be super careful because this blade is super sharp. Just go slow and watch your fingers because you could easily slice off the tip of your fingers, like no problem. So just go slow, take your time. Also, down below, I'll leave an Amazon link if you guys wanna check one of these out. All product links will be down below. So I'm doing about 3 good sized balls of this 80-20 ground beef right here. Probably like about 4 ounces, I would say. A little bigger than I usually do, but it should be all right. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get the BLACKSTONE heated up, get this thing going, eat some burgers. All right, so I got this thing heating up right now. I'm gonna try to get this to like as hot as it can get. So all I'm gonna do basically is just throw the meat down on here, smash them down, paper thin. I'm using this bacon press or burger press, whatever you wanna call it, with a little bit of parchment paper. Smash them down, then I'm gonna throw the onions and jalapenos on there. Basically, under 4 minutes, these burgers are gonna be done. All right, so there it is, guys. Like I said, super easy, simple cook on the Blackstone. Could have did a better job showing the onions and jalapenos on there, but you know it tastes good. The one side of the patty has a good crunch to it because it got the good sear. Almost too much of a sear, but it worked out all right. Then the onions and jalapenos got cooked really good, and that mayo and mustard kind of just makes it right. So I don't really like ketchup that much. I'm not that big of a ketchup person, but I don't mind it. But if I have the choice, I'm gonna leave it out. But like I was saying, any product links, I'll leave down below if you want to check it out. Thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate it. Think about subscribing if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.